Hello and welcome to Something Average. If I sound a little croaky, it's because I had a bad night and I've literally recently just woken up. So you're gonna have to bear with, I'm afraid. You can see I've got a bunch of mystery bags in front of me. I thought I'd do something a bit different there, because I like these. I got some for myself and, I haven't opened them yet, so I'll show you guys what's in them. I've taken them out of the actual packaging bag, and I've felt and heard some things that sound interesting. So, if I remember rightly, this one is a random tarot cards. This one is Gothic Witch, this one is Vampyre, and this one is Werewolf. So, I don't know how I'm going to do this with one hand. I didn't think that through. I've not got anything to hold it up with either. Right. Alright, we're back. I just decided to just peel the tape off screen. Right, we'll start with the mystery tarot one, as they seem to be in order. We have... I guess I can just, I don't really want to spill, because otherwise it's I'll see what they are. Oh. We have a tea. First things first. Green tea with coconut. We have Halloween moon ritual with Wolfie. And on this side we have, funny enough, to go with my other one that I got as a mystery as well. Luminescence of the waxing moon inspires you to try something new. I have one with the moon on it, and it's got wolves on it somewhere, and it's something along the lines of, I understand that wolves howl the moon to worship it, not out of madness or something like that. Very cool. I think there's 5 in total. Oh. Why don't you have a loud sing-along to your favourite song? Oh, it's some a yoga on the other side. Okay, that's cool. Interesting, that's a cool one. We have unicorns. Love heals your fear. The power of love can be... Hold on, the lights in the way. Help bullies and angry people to be a little less afraid. It's a lion and a unicorn. That's really cute, actually. I really like that one. And there's a unicorn on the back as well. Not usually the biggest fan of unicorns, but that one's really cute. Actually, that one's really cute. Oh, we got a palmistry card. I actually have these. And it's the air hand, which I think mine actually is. I'm not entirely sure. Palmistry fans, there you go, is my hand. Actually, that should be the other hand, shouldn't it? Compare. What do we think? Yeah, palmistry hand, palmistry card. It tells you a little bit of personality traits and things. It's very cool. And oh, this one's cool. Oh, this one looks familiar. The back of the card looks familiar. I've seen this before. I'm trying to think of... Is this the, design your own one? Oh, no, it's not. There is a... it might be. Because there's a deck where you get to colour the Arcana, but these are already done for you. 2 of Swords. Peace and Harmony. Needing to take the blindfold off. Hang on. Keep reassessing the situation at hand. Sorry, my camera's dark. I don't know if I can readjust the brightness. I don't know why I'm looking at it on there. And a little business card. That should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's correct. Very cool. I think my favourite one actually is the unicorn one. I actually really like this one. Like I said, not the biggest fan of unicorns, but it's really cute. I think my flash is on. Hold on, can I take that off? No. Okay, you're just gonna have to deal with it, I'm afraid. Gothic Witch, as far as I know, is the next one. I'll put that off to the side and we'll take some things out one at a time. We have another tarot card. And an oracle card. That's pretty. And then it's the star. Funnily enough, One of my best friends associates me with this card, even though technically, if you go by all the zodiac and all that hocus pocus, mine technically is the Wheel of Fortune. But I have a best friend that was always associated me with this card, so that's actually quite ironic. Very cool. I like this sort of like black and gold as well. I know it's Rider-Waite inspired. Excuse me. But I really like this sort of black and gold simple. Like it's quite simple. It's quite pretty, quite nice. We have another tea. Green tea and Moroccan mint. We have there's a lot in this one. Ooh, it's cool. We have a little keyring. With like it's not going to show up very well. Let me see if I can take it out and show you a little easier because it's shining in the camera light and you can't really see it very well. But it's kind of like... There we go, that's a bit better. It's like a lady in like a witchy... That's cool. Interesting. We have... That feels like an incense stick. That is an incense stick. A little miniature incense stick. Let me do the sniff test. See it. Oh, that's familiar. Oh, I can't quite figure out what that is, but it smells really familiar. It's got like a little tiny bit of like a soapy smell to it. Like the hem incenses. Could be one of those. So like Morning Mist or The Forest or something like that. Got a little sticker, a little pentagram, pentacle thing. Oh, we got a small thing. We got an ickle thing. We got a tiny little ickle star and a little keyring. Make a wish, guys. That's kind of cute. This thing? This thing? Alright, okay. Yep. There's one last thing after this little thing I'm going to show you as well. But it's in a bag, so I left it till last, just in case. But yeah, we got a little tea light, a little green. This weird sort of like pastel green. Well, not weird. Cool little pastel green. I know, so I said weird. But yeah, no idea what like little herbs it's got scattered on. These really smell nice, a lot of these. I think this is what I was smelling actually. I know I opened a bag and like, boom, this smell came out. Kind of smells a little like soap. It's got like a soapy smell. Can go with my soapy smelly incense. We got this thing, which I think is a herb sachet. I am not sure. I'm not sure if I can open it with one hand, but we'll give it a go. Ooh. Oh no! I can hear something wiggling around in there. Where are my scissors? Actually, scissors! To the rescue. Right, okay. That needs slicing a little more. Don't be silly, kids. Always slice away from you, no matter how dull the blade is. Not towards you, like I did just a second ago. Come on. Come on. And inside is... I actually have no idea what that is. Inside is... Oh, inside is a bunch of... It looks like tea, actually, like loose leaf tea. I'll probably put this in my tea reading cup later. I didn't think of how to reseal this. I'm going to put it back in one of the bags. That way, if it does leak, it leaks into the bag. There we go. I did not read the front. It's very, very faintly stamped on the front. I think they had stamped these new ink. Let's do werewolf next, actually. Okay, werewolf. We got yet another oracle card thing. Another Halloween one as well. Interesting. Will it be a different one? It is a different one. Oh, that's very pretty.
Upcoming full moons will enhance my ability to manifest my highest good. That's a very pretty one. I like that. It's got like a... That's cool. I like that one.
These will go with my other wolf one. I'll see if I can kind of rescue it later. Oh, we got another bag of... Don't open this one. Oh, hold on. This feels different. This is... wax melts.
Or wax bits and pieces. Hold on, let me see if I can open it. Come on. Oh, that one opened a lot easier. Hold on, one sec. I say that, and then it doesn't. Scissors! To the rescue! Alright, cool. Spill. There we go.
Ta-da! They got little wax shapes. These kind of look like the candle, actually. We got a little tiny sliver of crescent moon, we got a chunkier moon, and we got a star. Very cool. Let's pop those out of the way. We have another tea, a different tea. We've got lemon and oh, I might save that actually. But when the weather starts getting colder, or like, I'll save this for like when December rolls around. Because I'm prone to getting colds just before Christmas, and it sucks. We got, oh that's cool! Oh that's cool! We got a little werewolf guy. With a bunch of little, like, wolfies in the forest. That's really cool. I like that, that's cool. We got another tea light. It's a yellow one. Sorry I don't know what like herbs and stuff are on these, so I can't be a bit more descriptive, but like, it's a yellow one. If any of you want to guess, be my guest. That's a cool one. Oh, that has a, like, smell. Sorry, smell-o-vision hasn't been invented yet, but that's probably a good thing in disguise. It's like a honey smell. That's cool. It's interesting. We got a little moon. Oh, hold on. A little moon to go with our little star. Very cute. Oh, and if you don't want it, you could give it to someone. You could be like, oh, you're my moon and stars. I'm not going to do that, but like, it's just it's an idea. Oh, we have a scroll. You can't see it, but we have it. Careful with that one, that's got the tea in. Rubber band. Let me take you off. And these are usually like little... They're kind of like the oracle cards. They have little messages on, and... Oh, it's the right way around. Come on, open. Ugh. There you go. And it says, study lunar cycles and how they affect nature and behaviours, deepening understanding of werewolf lore. Because it's werewolf themed, so. You can take the werewolf lore out and just, like, understanding nature and the seasons and the cycles, especially considering it's August right now. And September's coming up, which is, like, summer to autumn, so, like, seasons and cycles. Makes sense. Last but not least, we have our vampire one. And I think that might be a bookmark actually. Hold on. Toddle it up. There we go. It is a... that way around. You can't see it very well, but it's kind of like a skeleton monk by the looks of it. It's got like little Chinese... It could be a Zhangxi, because it's got like little Chinese symbols on its hood. You can't see it very well, unfortunately. It doesn't show up very well on camera. We have another green tea with coconut. Very cool. We have... Come on. There we go. That one I can see. It very clearly in red says mystery wax shapes. Intermission for
Scissors? Oh dear, the amount of things I have to open with scissors today. Ah! There we go. Going insane. Oh, it's red. Ooh! And the same sort of thing. Just with different herbs and scents this time. And it's red. Which is really cool. I like that. Little red friends. I'm not entirely sure what that could be. But judging like vampires, I'm gonna say like roses and things. To go with our little green friends. Next. That's just another business card. Get out of here. You got a little lady. Kinda cool. We have a black tea light. Ooh, okay. Spooky. Not really. Just wanted to say that. With I don't know if some of these are scented, you know, but I want to say it is. It's got like a faint smell. I don't know what it is on the top, but it looks familiar. That's very cool. I've got like a little stain there. What is that? Get out of here. Very cool. With 3 tea lights. And this last thing, which is wrapped up well, not meticulously, but like it's in a jar, so they've protected it very well. Scissors again. There we go. It's a little jar of ashes. No, I'm kidding. Like vampire ashes. It is. That is what it's described as. So it's got like a little thing. I can't remember what these are. I can't remember if it's witch's salt or simmer crystals. Could be bath salts. Before I go, I will show you the wolf card I'm on about as well. And if anyone knows the deck it's from, feel free to chime in as well. Because I've been trying to look it up and Google doesn't know. This one. It says, I know now that wolves help the moon in worship and not madness. And I have no idea what deck this is from. I'm guessing it's an oracle deck.